Yo, what is going on, guys? Caroline Pride here, and today I'm showing you how to create Barry Bonds in MLB 15 the show. So you can see this, I'm in the Diamond Dynasty mode right now, but you can make him on the Create a Player tab on the home menu.
Barry Bonds.
The game will say his name. I've got that set up. Here he says he's a switch batter. I just did that because that's the biggest advantage in the game mode. He is a lefty in real life, so make sure to put that. 6'1", 200 pounds, skin tone 6. I found to be the most comparable to him in real life. You can see all these tabs right here. You can copy them over to your game if you want to make Barry Bonds, or you can edit it if you think there's something that is more realistic. But I think that this is the closest to perfection that I have seen anywhere on YouTube. I took hours and hours. This has taken me a couple weeks now, but yeah, I tried to make this as realistic as I can. For his accessories, I had the all black fielding glove. I have the orange and black gloves and the cleats because of the San Francisco Giants. You can change the color of those though if you have like a different team or something that you want to match the colors with, but I just did it for the Giants. I have the arm brace here because he did wear that in real life. But yeah, everything on here is pretty much accurate. I mean, there are some things I guess that you could change, but to me, this is as close as you're going to get. I hope you guys enjoy this, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if there's any other players that you'd like to see me create, put them in the comment below. I will be willing to make players for you guys. I think that it is fun, and I'm actually interested in it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.